Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Honda CR-V EXL all-wheel drive. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 130,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.